Amalachi. Nandem. Namode. Nam. Yeah.
I have to go down.
No. How? You're back outside.
Yes, sir. What can I do?
Wait for me. Before too long, you'll do one or two things in this compound, so you'll be able to bring in the money. Your car must come in. Never go back night. Yeah, let's go in.
No, look at how fresh you are.
Mama.
It's God though. And you too, you are glowing like always, Let's go in. No, Mama, none. Baba can make you. I'll quit to go. You see that thing I always complain. Carry me.
All the time.
Choma, you got carried up on one time. Choma, you got carried up on one time. Carry me. How has it been with your brother? Has he been able to get another girl?
Mama, I would be lying if I tell you that there's something going on with any girl anywhere. Brother Namdi has changed. You see, since that witch called Gladys did whatever it is she did to him, he doesn't want to set his eyes on any girl. Imagine the other day we went to an eatery to eat. And the owner of the eatery, the only child, very wealthy family, Mama, saw my brother and liked him. But then Namdi got up and started to run.
Meanly?
I was ashamed of myself. My brother was acting like a reverend father.
Yeah?
Mama, from the things I am seeing, I am not sure my brother will be able to marry.
Kuzna, start with your son-in-law. God forbid.
Amen.
God forbid.
Amen.
Your father married me, and I gave birth to Nandi. And I had you too. So Nandi must get married and have his own children, and I'll carry my grandchildren.
Amen.
What?
Amen.
Amalachi, what we have to do is, you have to bring your friends, cajole him into having something to do with them. Anytime I'm coming from here, I'll bring a brilliant girl, fine girl. Let's see whether you'll be able to pick one out of them. Because I can't stand seeing my son not getting married because of the girl that left her house. We just have to do that.
Okay, Mama.
Is he the one banging the door?
My brother's changed though.
He must be hungry. Rush to the kitchen and check the soup.
Okay, Mama.
Check the soup. If the soup is done, then you put water on the fire for Gary.
Okay.
Oh,
Mama.
Rush. Hi. Namdi. Namdi, your father got married to me. Yes. You got married to me and I gave birth to you. So you must get married and give me my grandchildren. What? Bad. It's not possible.
This food is nice.
Is it not your mother again?
Amara, why are you not eating? Huh?
I'm not hungry. I'm watching my weight.
I'm not hungry, I'm watching my weight. She has finished eating the whole meat in the soup.
What is 2 meat?
Ijiji akwere ndị ọbụla sọrọ anụ osisi ijiji ele ekwelata ya ka elie n'elie.
Mama, the coughing. Why?
It's alright now.
Why are you eating?
No, it's the small soup remaining in my pot before I decided to cook this one.
Make this one.
For you people.
Am I even begging you?
Hope you're enjoying it.
Why am I begging you?
Now
wait now. I'm your sister.
I know.
I'm your sister.
I know. After this food.
Wait now, only this one. Only one.
I'm asking more than
Only one.
Take it and go. Take the smallest one.
Because of this small thing.
There's nothing is small there.
Give me.
Smallest one.
Nothing is small. Lenu ni akawoke no kan kin elile.
I take it nice and slow. That way now.
Should be sweet. It's me that help Mama.
Hey.
Mama, okay?
Mm.
See, I feel like I can cook. You don't know.
Mama, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Absolutely. That's why you people got fair. You don't eat like a man. I be like Arena back, you do one around, you just took one. But it is well. I'm happy you enjoyed the food.
I did. I did.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. Nna. Your sister was telling me something. Emma no onye fe na anya ga na agba mbọ gị. Okwa Emma. Your sister said that you always run away from women.
Yeah.
That you now behave like a reverend father. What is going on? My son, you need to marry. Bikomi. Oh, you need to get married. I need grandchildren. Please.
Mama, point of correction. I am not running away from any woman.
So
okay?
what is going on?
I have not met the right person. When I do, you will know. Don't worry, I'll get married for you. I will.
Listen, let me tell you. I wasn't the person your father was supposed to marry. Yes. There was a lady he wanted to marry, but it didn't work out.
Okay.
His mother recommended me. And you saw your father. I know you remember your father. How many years you were like? How many? You saw your father. You saw the way we were behaving like even sisters, brothers and sisters. We loved ourselves so much. You saw it. Why can't you show it? Do it for your mother. Show it. Get a girl. Try and love a girl. Oh? It mustn't be that is that person I wanted to marry. That it must be that person. No. Is he a kite or what? I can't even remember that Calabar girl name. Get another girl and marry. Just like your father at the end of the day saw me and liked me and married me. Oh?
It's fine, Mama. I will try my best.
Try. Oh, no. Try.
I'll try my best.
Try. Oh? God, I thank you for their stay. As my children are about to leave for the city, Father, Lord, I ask you to protect them.
Amen.
God, please. I want you to give my son Nnamdi. Give him a good wife.
Amen.
Give him a good wife.
Amen.
God, I thank you he's saying amen. For him to say amen, that means he wants a wife. Give him a wife.
Amen.
Touch my daughter, Amalachi. Let her always listen to what I tell her. Let her understand that she needs to start doing something. God, please, let her have something doing.
Amen.
Most important one, Father, Lord, protect them as they get back to the city. Guide them. All this and more I ask in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Dubelum fannam. Dubefa. Wakunite nuwo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ono gana nudo no.
Yes, sir.
Oni o kwani we na esekpulu mo na.
It's fine.
Why are you still sitting like this? Won't you go again?
I'm missing you.
You're already missing me. You have to go. Kulu jababa mbo. Okay, na apia kanaba. Or they can change him something.
I'm just.
You don't give one. No, the obvious they do because you want to bring another.
No, I'm trying to confirm my car key.
Okay.
That's right. Let's go.
Let me bring my hand back.
Hi.
Hey, God, give my daughter husband. I even forgot to tell you about it. Give my daughter a good husband.
Hello.
What is it? What is it?
Please, I called you because
Nnamdi, I've told you to stop calling me now. I've told you this, I'm sure it's been like 10 times or what. I've told you stop calling me. I've moved on. Do the same. Stop calling me. I have something on the fire, please. I don't know what you're calling me for this afternoon.
Come on, Gladys. It has not gotten to this. Okay, please. I don't understand why you are behaving this way.
See, there's nothing for you not to understand. People meet, people break up. People stay in relationships, it doesn't work out. They move. I've done that. I expect you to do the same. It didn't work between you and me. I've moved on. Do the same.
But Gladys, you know there's no way I can move on without you.
As what?
Come on, I've built my world around you.
My brother, you have to rebuild it. For me, I've built my own life around someone else. So you have to please rebuild your life somewhere else. Please. Don't be calling me, because at this point you're beginning to make me feel like all those small pin of change that you were giving me and my family, that's not making you to be calling. See, my boyfriend is capable to refund you if that's what you want. But please don't call me, okay? Don't stop this nonsense now. Stop it, it's irritating me.
Okay, please, just calm down. Can you at least tell me what I did wrong?
We're not talking about what you did wrong because you didn't do nothing wrong. We're talking about what you would do wrong by calling me again. That's what I'm trying to say is, after this call, if you call me again, Nnamdi, you would have done something wrong, and then I will treat you like someone who has done something wrong by insulting you, insulting your mother, insulting your sister, and your totality. Please, Mr. Builder.
Gladys.
Elsewhere, get another plot of land and
wait.
Please. Why am I even talking to this guy now when I can just block him?
Gladys, wait now.
I beg.
Okay. So, don't you think it's high time you moved on and let this girl be? For Christ's sake, she has moved on. You should do the same. Wait, you're actually crying for that ugly, short, tiny, dirty engine. Hey, wait, now, have you ever cried for me? All the times that I fall sick in this house, have you ever cried for me? One dirty girl. Can you see how fine you are? See your height. Every woman's dream. You're here crying for one petite thing like that. Now you're not saying anything. See, I do not want to lose you. You're my only brother. It's okay? I'll just go in there and get you a bottle of beer. Huh? Mm-hmm.
Please, can you direct me to the MD's office?
Oh, you're here for the interview?
Yes, I am.
Wow, you're so beautiful.
Thank you. The MD's office?
There's no need for that. You're hired.
Please, can you direct me to the MD's office?
Oh, you still don't believe me?
No.
It's fine, let me take you to the MD's office.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
So you're really the boss?
I told you so. So?
I don't know. For now.
I see. What is your name?
My name is Nduka Ifoma.
Oh, indeed.
Have you been to Nambo before?
I don't know. I don't actually know where you're from. But it's fine. So, are you married?
No, sir.
Would you like to go out sometime?
Well, this is not the usual interview questions, you know. But why me though?
Let's just say that I am drawn to you. You know, you give me a good kind of vibe. So I feel like to know you more. So would you go out with me tonight?
I'll think about it and I'll get back to you.
You think about it and get back to me. It's actually a yes or a yes question.
What about the job?
Oh, that. You see, you're very perfect. So you got the job already. And I don't want you to think that you didn't get this job on merit. I've already gone through your CV. So, are you going out with me tonight?
Okay. Today.
That's more like it.
Okay.
doing very well.
Yes, we are trying. We are trying our best.
We're trying your
Mama, no. It does not give me money. You always complain anytime I ask for money.
But you don't look like somebody they do not give money.
What yeah?
That's your hair alone. That's your hair alone. Don't you know how much? The hair alone.
Ma, you go back and applico.
Applicant, no one may walk it. So it is still from him.
I'm trying my best.
Like I said, we'll be going for the wedding tomorrow.
Okay.
Mama Agnes, her daughter's wedding. That's actually why we came. And you know, like I said, we came in a group.
Okay.
We chartered bus. But I told them to stop me by air first of all. So I can sleep and talk with you people. I know how you're doing. Nanti.
Mama.
Something is bothering me.
Yes. What is that?
The thing that is bothering me is about you. Not just you, you too. No, I want to understand it. Why will I always go for other people's wedding? Mananke mama abialom wedding. Eh? No, ono yaleba. No, talk to me. Why can't you get married? Ene kungo atono airu. Ike nurogi nudi. Are you not supposed to get married by now? Kete ikabo ononogo. Odala mmecha. You're supposed to get married now. Ko ikanka iwe what ije kecho. Listen, let me tell you now. You in particular. Since that Akwa Ibom girl left you, or Akwa Ibom kuno na pe. Since she left you, you just made up your mind that you will never get married. No, tell me, let me understand.
Mama, don't worry. We will get married.
Or see we?
And we will get married. She will get married.
So you're getting married to your sister? Hey, and we're going to have a problem. So you want to get married to your sister?
Mama, you know what I'm saying. She will get married, I'll get married. That's it.
Then get married.
Namdi, get married, oh. Get married.
No, come
on.
Amalachuku, get married.
Oh, get married.
No, why?
Mama, see,
get married.
I will. I'll get married.
What is all this? I will always go for other people's wedding. And now to go, now tax after paying, they will not come to pay for my own. Get married, let them come and pay. Let them come and give me something for giving birth to new children. Or guinea. For having grandchildren.
Don't worry, we'll get married. Huh? Very soon, all these things will be in the past. Meanwhile, you were saying something about getting a shop in the village.
Koapam, you want to divert the attention of getting married to my shop. Koapam. Talk to me about you getting married. When are you getting married? I need to see my grandchildren. You're telling me about shop.
I'll get married now.
You're asking her. I don't understand you.
I'll get married, don't worry. The plan is on ground already.
Because I expected to see at least a girlfriend again. Not that Akwa Ibom girl, not that Samus. I expected to see another girl. Then I'll say, okay, he's getting near to.
Mama, I know it's very easy to get a girlfriend, but it's not easy to get a wife. So all these things,
you keep testing. Testing.
Hey, Mama, stay till Monday now. Monday now.
You say, stay till Monday.
After tomorrow,
I stayed with chartered bus. And you know how much we paid in that bus. So you want me to pay again in going back?
See your mother. I knew it. Like Mama not to stay here. She wants to participate in everything. Now I
need to get everything. I paid. So long as I paid, I must regain it. That's why I want you people to get married. Get married so they can come and pay. Pay. Obia.
Hey!
Hey! Hello.
Okay.
Nke ekpo ye pụọ prayer book.
Hello. Hey, how are you? Sorry for waking you up. Yeah, I'm good. Just bored and lonely. She's around. She might be sleeping. Yeah, I'm just relaxing, you know. I thought it wise to call you and ease off the boredom a little. Of course, you made my day. You were there now, just cheering me up and laughing and all that. It was fun. I hope I made yours too. You see, at times when a man started feeling lonely, the next person you can talk to is the person that is close to your heart. So I guess that is what I'm doing now. Of course you are. Yes, I know. Don't you believe in love at first sight? I believe so much in it, so don't blame me for falling too easily. Yeah, of course. I am a very perfect gentleman. I know how to take good care of ladies. I don't mean to brag, okay? But I am going to take you there. Trust me. If you understand what I mean. No, that's fine. That's fine. Let me not take too much of your time, okay? Because I woke you up. You need to go back to sleep. Now that I've spoken to you, I think I can as well go to sleep, so that's fine. That's fine, I can't wait. I'll see you. It's alright. Alright, take good care of yourself and sweet dreams. In fact, I'm going to meet you there. Okay. Alright.
No.
Alright.
12:30. You're not sleeping.
I'm actually watching soccer.
At this time.
Are you not seeing soccer yet?
Do you even think I'm a child? You're watching soccer, that's why you're here. Nnamdi, you.
I don't understand what you mean.
What do I mean? You know what I mean.
When will you even stop this your every weekend clubbing?
Stop. No, I cannot stop. I don't want to be as boring as you are. Let's go now.
Go where?
To the club.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Let's watch soccer.
Let's go to the club.
I am not going
Let's go
anywhere.
to the club.
Why would they?
Let's go, Nana. Come, let's go.
Please, I'm not going.
Will not take much
Allow
time.
me to enjoy my distance, please. I'm not going.
No, I want to beg you something.
Money.
I have enough money. But wait though, why is it every time I say I want to ask you for something, just call me?
I know you are money now. You guys are so friendly.
There is no money.
So what is it?
I want to beg you for car key.
Eh?
Yes, now. It's more safe when I use car.
The last time you drove that car to the club, what happened?
It wasn't my fault.
No. It was my fault.
Now, please now.
Leave me. I'm not giving you anything. Leave my car for
No. Your sister is going to go missing. That time you asked you to bring all the money you have in your life.
me. Amarachi, if you go missing, I'll come and look for you.
You
I will
serious?
find you. Yes.
No,
I'll find you.
Please now. Please now. Please now. See how you're making me view my hair. Please. Please now.
Okay. Go to the dining and get the key.
Thank you. Hey, Senior. So why were you not picking my phone?
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm good. What's happening?
Just these few hours now. See how you've macheted. I'm actually seeing a mad day.
Oh my God. How are you?
How far?
Good.
What's this glow of
I met someone.
I knew it. I said it. Okay, see, tell me, where is she? How do you meet? Is she fair, tall, dark?
Calm down, you're too fast.
Okay.
This lady I'm talking about is very pretty and smart.
Kai.
And guess what? She's Igbo.
Senior. Okay, she's funnier than I am.
Amarachi, calm down. I am hungry. I'm just coming back from work. You know what that means now? Go and get me something to eat.
Okay, wait, I'll bring it. Is she tall? Is she dark? Slim, fat? How is she? Does she have gym?
Amarachi, this lady is beautiful and fair. Go and get me something to eat.
Hey, see me. When am I meeting her?
Very soon, we'll meet her. Amarachi, get me food, let me eat.
Okay.
Yes, come in. Oh.
Good day, sir. I'm going with the photocopy you asked me to do.
Oh. Good, 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 good. Very nice one.
Thank you. Is there anything else I could do for you?
For now, nothing.
Because I want to go for lunch and it's time for lunch, so that's why I'm asking.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine.
Would you want me to get you anything on my way back?
No. I wouldn't want to stress you. I'm fine, okay?
It's no stress at all.
Don't bother yourself.
But I insist.
You can get me whatever you want.
Okay. I'll be back in a minute.
It's fine, thank you.
Amalachi.
Hello, Mama. Good morning, Ma.
I've been calling your brother, but he's not picking. What's wrong with him?
No, he's fine. No. He's fine. He just went to work.
He's been promoted. Yeah, Chukudalo. Hell. But is that the reason he should not be picking his call?
Yeah, Mama. You know he's at work, so I believe he's very busy. That's why he's not taking the calls. But he would return the calls as soon as he sees them. Oh no, Mama, don't talk like that now. Don't talk like that. He's going to call you back. He's fine. He met someone.
Eh? You mean Ile? He has a girl now in his life.
I'm yet to see her, but he said he's going to introduce her to me, so I'm waiting.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Okay, you've not seen the girl.
Well, from the look of things, my brother is in love.
Okay. Hey, I can't wait to. I can't wait.
Definitely, Mama. You will see her when the time is right.
It's okay. No problems. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. But make sure anytime the girl comes, make sure you see her and tell me what she looks like. You want to go? Tell him I called. Of course, he will see his missed call. He will see my missed call.
Don't worry, he will return your calls, oh? And please make sure to tell us when you're ready, so come pick you up. Alright, Mama. I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank God. So my son will be getting married. Hey, I pray this one works. Chukwu Abiyama. Nalamaka Onna. Hey. Wow.
Yes, Mama. Mama, please. I have an important issue that I need to attend to. Okay? I'll call you back later. Mama, when I get home, let me call you. Let's talk about it. Don't worry. Why? We can plan. Don't worry. I must get married, but don't push it. Don't push it, okay? No problem. Let me attend to this issue. I will get back to you. Once I get home, I'll call you. Okay. Okay, no problem. Hey, what's up? Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to be there. Okay. It's alright. Okay.
Hey, big sis. Welcome.
Joshua, thank you.
How was work today?
Stressful? As usual.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mama called not quite long. She said she's been trying to get to you over the phone, but your number wasn't connecting. So she asked me to tell you to send her some money so she'll pay the man that cleared her farmland.
Oh, Mama and her billing. If it's not this, it's that. If it's not that, it's this. But it's okay. I'll send her some money tomorrow.
Please do.
Please go get me a glass of water. Cold.
Alright.
So tired.
This movie is very interesting. It's about the Flavor story.
No. I'm too tired to watch a movie. Oh.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come on, I'm back.
How was it?
Work was fine. And it was as good as you telling Mama that I found a soulmate.
She told you. Mama.
Of course, you should know that Mama must call to hear from my mouth.
So, when is this our soulmate coming?
Ah, when the time is right, you will meet her.
Namdi, every time, when the time is right, when is the right time you come?
So what's up? What's going on? You've been sleeping all day?
I just finished doing the laundry and I was very tired. Decided to sleep before you woke me up.
Oh, that's fine. But have you had something to eat? Because I ordered something.
Chinese.
Chinese, I want Hawaii. This one off you.
Leave my head, leave me. Leave my head, Biko. What did you order, Biko?
Don't worry. When it comes, you'll say it.
No, are you not tired? Every time they ask you something, don't worry, when it comes, you sit. What did you order?
That's why my name is Inam Butu.
I'll do you back.
I need to shower
I'll
first.
do you back.
A cold bath will be good for me. So just cool down, eh? Just Butu. Coming.
Okay. Get up. Sleepy. You said I should wake you up at 7. You have an appointment for 8. This is past 7. Go and bathe. Go and bathe. Stand up, Namdi. Go. Let me go get you something to eat. Hurry. I see you here.
So I want you to do gone through it already. The first page is not too bad, but you have to go through it. And then go down to the third page. We're going to remove this one entirely. And down to page 6. I also think you're going to remove it entirely too. And I think that should be it.
Alright, so I'll go and have it printed out for you then.
You can always do that tomorrow.
Why not now?
Do you know you're so beautiful?
Thank you, sir, but I have to go and print out the box for you.
Oh, not so fast. Would you want to have lunch with me?
I have other things to do, sir. I'm so sorry.
Come on, we can always do this tomorrow. Please. Okay. Yes, let's go.
So I spoke to Mr. Kelvin today, and he...
Let's not talk about work.
Okay, sir.
Please, no sir. You can actually call me by name. Namdi is beautiful.
Sure, Namdi.
Good. What about your parents?
My dad is late. My mom stays in the village.
Would it be wise for me to say that we have that in common? Because my dad is also late.
Well, yes, we do love the same games.
You're very right. No, you're right. So tell me, any siblings?
I have a younger brother, and he stays with me.
It's fine. You see, I also have a younger sister, and she also lives with me.
Oh.
And guess what? I told her about you, and she cannot wait to see you.
Me too. I can't wait to see her.
I can actually show you a picture, haven't I? Show you. Here is my doll. There she goes.
Your sister?
Yes.
Can I see another one of her?
Okay, let me search because this is actually a new phone. Let me see. Okay, there you go. That's my beautiful angel.
Hey, woman, like this now you're still single. Enjoy your life until you get into his house. Yes, do everything you do. Just be smart enough not to keep your debts alone.
Mama, I'm just going to can study, that's all. See, the only issue now we have in this discussion is I don't want my husband, you know, he has really paid for it. I don't want him to feel like, you know, you that last time you had issues that someone sent him text message, you were saying choose between Charles and I. Oh wow.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. She's so pretty. She looks like someone I know, but But trust me, she's really beautiful.
Oh, that's fine. She looks like me.
Don't do that. Stop me so proud of yourself.
Oh, what are you trying to say? That I don't look good?
Don't sell yourself short. You look nice in your own way.
And you also look beautiful.
Yes, lunch break is over. We have to go.
Oh, I didn't even notice. And he raised for you for taking work so seriously.
Thank you.
I guess we have to. We have to go.
Thank you, sir, for bringing me home. Oh, my bad. Um, Thank you, Namdi, for bringing me home.
That's better. So I guess I will see our talk tomorrow.
Yes, and I would prefer we keep the relationship cordial for now. Just a little bit.
Is that what you want?
Definitely, yes.
It's fine.
Okay.
See you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. All right. Bye.
This is good evening.
Good evening, how are you? For sure.
I'm fine. How was work today?
Stressful? Just stressful.
Stressful indeed. But you don't look it.
How so?
I mean, you look tired, but then you look happy. The way you were smiling by that man's car.
Ah. Oh, it's not what it looks like.
Really?
Yes.
Who is he?
It's just my boss and he gave me a lift. That's it.
Are you sure?
And he likes me.
Alright, it's fine, but you just have to be very careful.
Yeah, I know. I will.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
So what should I do for you?
What did you cook?
Who will make food for you? There is no food, Biko. I didn't make anything. Who will cook for you?
Joshua, you're leaving.
I'm coming.
Where is she?
Amarachi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Namdi.
Where's who?
Our baby.
Did I tell you she was coming today?
But you said you were going to bring her home.
Yes, I said so. But not today. I will tell you when she's coming.
Then I shouldn't have gone through all the stress.
What stress?
I pounded yam and made a goosey soup.
You pounded yam.
Okay, I didn't pound. I stirred. I pounded. And then the soup. I used all kinds of animal. Was I sleeping or she's not coming today?
You made soup with all kinds of animal.
Yes,
What kind of soup is that?
a goosey.
Ah, I see. And I hope you're not joking with me.
What are you going to do?
Poundo and egusi and
Don't
every
touch
kind of-
it. No,
Eh?
no, don't touch my pot, please.
Am I not the one you prepared this?
No, I cannot go through that same stress next time, please. Brother Namdi, please wait. This.
I kept money for you on the table.
Okay, thank you. Namdi, there's one more thing.
You're back to Nnamdi again.
Mama is coming next week.
Yes, I know. She told me. Please, I'm running late, oh?
There's one more thing.
Running late. Hello, Amara, what is it?
Can you stop sounding like Bakone? See, I just wanted to know if she's still coming today.
Why didn't you ask me that when I was on?
Why are you raising your voice? Is she still coming?
Auntie, if she is coming, I will let you know. You know, no?
Better. wait now, one more thing, wait. Wait, just one more thing. Is she dear? Can I speak with her?
Amara, I'm going to end the call now. Okay? I'll talk to you later.
Why Nandi now? Send the picture. Let me just see her now.
I want to send you when I get home.
Bye-bye. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were still on the call.
No, it's fine. It's just my sister. It's fine. So what about the documents? Are you done with it?
I was rounding up before you called me.
Okay. So it's done now?
Almost.
Get it done and get it to me, okay?
Alright.
Bye.
Yeah. Amara! Oh my god, I missed you! I was telling you.
I know your sister from somewhere. You look so pretty. She's so beautiful. I missed you. I missed you. It's been so long. What do you have to keep in touch. Baby,
How come?
see, baby, we were best friends in school. We were like sisters. Then we lost contact. Yes, we lost contact. Yes. Then we lost contact. Yes. I missed you. How are you? Yes.
Oh, you're welcome to my
Where
home.
you going? Why it's been long? We need to catch up. How was school been? I was liking treating you. You've been fine. Oh my god, this is so good. I missed you. Ah.
what is it? You're acting a bit off.
Nandi, you need to break up with that girl right now. Yes.
Are you joking or what? I don't understand. How?
Listen, you don't need that girl. You have to break up with her right now. Yes.
The same girl you've been so excited to see?
I know, but at this moment, I don't like her.
But she seemed so excited to see you.
Nandi, please.
No, just tell me, what is it? As in, why don't you want me to be with her?
It's not necessary. You just do not want her. It's not necessary. You don't want her. You're breaking up with her.
Amara, there's nothing you've asked of me that I've not done. But you see this one, it's a no. I am going to get married to a farmer.
No, you won't.
Hi, baby.
Yay.
How are you?
Oh,
I
good.
wanted to drink my coffee.
Okay.
Where do I go?
Oh, it's fine.
Hi, Amara. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Let's go back.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
So it's nice seeing you again, babes. I missed you. Okay.
Don't.
Yes, coming. Amara, what is the problem?
I want to talk to you about something.
See, Amara, I don't have money. I have some business I want to invest in and...
Nandi, I am not here for your money. It's about your future. And I think this is the right time to talk about it.
I'm all ears. So what is it?
I know you might think I am sounding like a ringing bell, but this is your future we're talking about. You see that girl called the former? She's the wrongest person to be with. She will kill you before your time. She will ruin your life. You can't marry her.
Amara, not again. I thought we've discussed about this before. What's going on?
Nandi.
Ifeoma is a very intelligent and hardworking girl. And that is the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I did not tell you. That girl is a bad girl. Ifeoma, a very bad girl. She will destroy your life. Namdi, I am only bothered because you're my only brother.
See, I am just so surprised about all this. Move on from Gladys. Move on from Gladys. I've moved on. I found another woman that I want to marry. Now this. Listen, let me tell you. The way you're saying Ifeoma is different from the way I'm saying her. And I am the one that will spend the rest of my life with that lady.
Namdi.
So please, allow me. I don't want to talk about this again.
Namdi.
Let me walk. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Breakfast is ready. Come on, get up. I made you breakfast.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Oh, thank you. Can I give water?
Oh, sure. Okay. I'm going to send this to the laundry, okay?
Okay, so what did you make for me?
Baby, make me the happiest man on earth. Will you marry me?
Yes.
That's so good.
I got the ring.
You love it? You like it?
I love it. Thank you.
I'm so happy you love it. I'm so happy you love it.
Thank you.
So my baby, you have to be patient, okay? I've already placed an order for the real breakfast, okay?
Okay.
So it's on the way.
Okay. And you know what? While we wait for the breakfast, let's have fun.
Let's what?
Fun.
I trust you.
Sis, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm good. So you're all excited. What's happening? You got a salary raise.
You cannot see again, Joshua. Joshua, you blind? Like, are you blind? Blinking like
You bought another ring?
What now? I got engaged.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Somebody engaged me. Can you look at?
I'm so happy for you. Come on, I'm happy for you. You know what? This
What?
calls for a celebration. You're going to take me out today. So
Okay.
where are we going to?
Do you know what? You go shower, put
Okay.
on something decent, and wait for my flatmates to come back, and then we'll go out because I got engaged. Just go shower, put on something
Okay, no problem.
decent.
That means I have to put on my best shoe for today's outing.
Anything goes.
Oh, hold on. Let me shower. I'm coming back now.
Anything goes. I got engaged.
Mama, you know, it has been so long you've been pestering me to get married. So I decided to bring her to you, to actually introduce her to you. Her name is Informa, and she's the person I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I am short of words. No, I didn't come fellow. My daughter, you are beautiful. Yeah, it's no one way for that. You look like morning star. No wonder you've been waiting. No wonder you've been waiting. Yeah, my daughter. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, the mom can have as a wine. As a wine, you must not cheat. You're welcome, my daughter. Please, I would like you to stay with my son. Make sure you learn him. Being a good wife is all about learning your man. Once you learn your man, once you understand him, nothing is about understanding your husband. That is the secret. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Child. No, not so bueno. Ewo, engage girl.
Mama, and a boom be kwedebola.
Eh?
I fire boys on time.
Yeah. Oh, Maka. That's very good. Hey, man, that you're coming.
Yes,
you didn't tell me.
I did not.
Mbeledeke eji amadike. Asam. Anamabia.
I trust you, Mama.
Oh, you know. Mwah. Jesus. Mwah, Maka.
Thank you.
Namonte. It follows us. It follows us. No.
Ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll be with you.
Okay.
Can't you come home with me? I'm going to see maybe and a best and wine.
Your mom is very receptive. She's so funny. I like
See, let me tell you, she's actually my first wife.
Oh, come on. I know that. She's your first wife, Amara is your second wife, and I'm the third wife.
I know. Amara cannot be my second wife. You are my second wife. Okay? Amara can actually take the third wife. I'm fine with that.
Thank you. I was so scared she wasn't gonna, accept me, but now, she was, oh my God.
You don't know that your beauty is an attack. You use your beauty to intimidate people.
Exactly. So once I see them, my beauty will be like, phew.
You understand?
Yes, we start.
Malachi. Yeah? Yes. Malachi, calm down. Let me understand you. Chike. Is she the one? She's so beautiful. Jesus! Jesus! Ya bụ na ọma amụmụ nwa. Exactly. Hey, why is it? Ya bụ nwa makakwa dịka ife. Okay, bye bye. Nekwa na ọnụ n'ugwu a nwa bụ sọ mma. Hey, why? Oh, devil, you a liar. Chai. No, ọmalịcha nwa nke anụ a. Oh.
Woo! Welcome, this is. It's obvious the shopping was really exhausting for you.
It was.
Hope I can see what's inside.
No. No need. Put this in the wardrobe. I already got a shirt for you and then a pair of shoes for Mama.
Yes! Trust me when I say you're actually the best sis ever in the world. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay. What's this? I was meaning to ask you. Am I going to stay here alone when you're moving with your husband, or I'm moving with you?
Come on. Of course you know you're moving with my husband and I. It's just impossible to leave you here. And you know the rent is almost due, so
I was wondering. Thank you very much. I feel like carrying you up right now, and then I just turn you 360, you know, turn you, and then I'll peck you.
yes. And then
Thank you very much. So this is what I'm going to rock on your introduction.
seriously.
Yes, so Daddy, I'm going to do all hot for you. And I'll be playing Bule.
If you say so.
Yes, I made noodles.
Not interested. At lunch.
Obviously, it's cool by now. Woo!
Mama, I came to tell you that we will be going for a formal's introduction in 4 days' time.
Informal's introduction.
Yes, in 4 days' time.
In 4 days' time.
Yes.
Nah. It was even a rich also. Or they can see your sister. No, listen. The way things are being done is, you have to ask questions. What do you know about the girl? We need to go to their place, their town, their home, ask questions about the girl. That's the way it's being done. No.
Mama, with the little I know of her, I can spend the rest of my life with her.
Have you even told the woman? You've not done anything, and you're talking of 4 days' time.
Mama, about the Omona, you should be the one to tell them. That's why I came.
Yes, I should be the one to tell them, but not just within 4 days. No. Man, you don't want to run a you ask questions. From this place to this place, from this place. You can aju. They don't know that they have to ask questions about you. And you actually match up for 4 days. No. It's too early.
Okay, fine. Whatever you want to do it within these 4 days, because I will go there in 4 days' time. You are the one that will be asking me, go and get married, go and get married. Now I'm ready to settle down. Issue.
No. I'm not denying the fact that I told you to go and get married. Yes. But not just seeing a girl and rushing to marry the girl. We have to go and ask questions in their home.
Mama, do you know I work with this girl in the same office? Do you know she works under me? And I've taken my time to study her. She's the kind of woman I want.
So she works in your office?
Yes.
Hey. And you think it's enough for you to know her? Don't you know that this girl may be pretending because she wants to marry you? She will be pretending until when she gets in, then you see the other side of her. We must ask questions on her.
Mama, I am not saying you're not going to ask questions. But to work within these 4 days, because I will go there in 4 days' time. If I don't see you, I will go there myself.
How you feel? Alone. Let's see. Don't want to ride Kulumili la me, choila miliri guide, Jella Miliki Joy. And you could go.
Mama, you've been the one asking me to go and get married. I'm ready now about issue.
Jella Miliki Joy, you cannot be.
Go on, you come, no wine, no wine. Actually, no wine now. Of course, the guy approve. I'll go there for this time.
One.
Amara. What is it? What's wrong with you? You've been inside the house for 2 days.
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
No, I'm okay.
Anyway, I want to tell you that I'll be going for my introduction the day after tomorrow. So get ready. I'm going to.
Congratulations, but I will pass. Thank you. Anything else?
I left money for you yesterday. When I came back, I met the same money. On my way out now, I'm going to drop another money for you.
Don't you think you'll be needing more money tomorrow? It's your introduction. Thank you. Useless, lazy girl. Very soon she'll stab my brother. It's good for Nandi though. There is stock. Stock in the fridge. The idiot can still cook like she used to. Rather use the gas.
Next time, you don't use my kitchen without my permission.
What's that supposed to mean? Are you speaking to your child now? Please, I do not want any of this rubbish.
Out. I said you should get out. You're not hearing me.
Are you stupid? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Don't try this rubbish again, no. Okay? Get out. Oh. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Come on, fight me. So cold. Aye.
Hey.
Sure as bullshit. Telling you I had 2 dogs. It's enough of tip on it myself. What's supposed to get? There's one for me. And I want it now. Come on. Come on. What's doing? Let's not. Who are you? Right. There's enough for 2 of us. You intend to play? I will see.
What's the meaning of that?
So you're killing John V and her room and he knows that I saw it.
This is my place. Don't try that.
Ganga, Z-World, extraordinary, every day. This month on Sacred Ties.
For when you're looking for my trouble, you're looking for my trouble. You get whatever it is you're looking for.
I don't think you understand that this is my husband's house.
Your husband's house.
This is my husband's house. This is my if I'm talking to you, don't be standing up to me. Are you okay? Are you okay? See, I go design your face, give you now you. So they could use me.
Let's see if you can fly.
Useless stout. You have always been useless. I know. Stupid thing.
He pay you. That's more like it. Peace of mind and quietness. So this lady I told you about, that the husband was maltreating, and now he's in love with her. Can you imagine? See, this is the kind of thing I'll be doing to you. This wicked in your anyhow.
But you know I can't do a thing like that.
Yes, I know.
I am a perfect gentleman.
That you are. You okay?
Good.
Okay.
No, please, I want to speak to
Excuse
you.
me. This way. This way. Thank you.
No, please, I would like to speak to you, madam.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing. I just tried to go see the gardener and tell him that Felicia is mine and that she'll always be.
I already know precisely how I'll make him suffer before I kill him.
So you see that house that it's getting interesting now.
So tell me what's going on right here? Have you come up with another business idea in order to make us rich or something?
Anything?
This time around,
Use it now?
I didn't ask you to come for any business reason.
Then what's up, man?
Mama, you need to see the way this white witch now treats me in my own brother's house. You know how close, how dear I am to Nandi, Mama. But now, Nandi does not care if I am dying or not. In fact, Mama, each time I go to tell him, this is what this girl does, oh, this is what she does when you're not around. Adani, you complain too much. Adani, just be patient with her. Adani, you know, different upbringing. Adani, we're dying to meet this person. Now you have seen her now. You're acting somehow. Mama, Nandi has changed. In fact, the one that happened a few days ago was that I was in the sitting room, I was seeing a movie. Do you know how hard working I am, Mama? Do you know? Mama, just wait now. Your daughter, you
continue,
should
but don't
me.
tell me about hard working. Go on.
Okay, Mama. But I try my best to arrange the house. And she came. and was blocking my view. Okay, I kept quiet. As a loving and peaceful person that I am, I did not say anything. Informer now came to me, collected the remote, removed my leg from the chair, and changed the channel. The Spirit of God in me still held me. I did not do anything, Mama. You know, I am so emotional. I did not... Okay, Mama, let me be truthful. I bantered words with her. Namdi came. He didn't even care to know what happened. He just started carrying face for me. Mama, I cannot take that nonsense again. I cannot be walking myself out in that house and they are not appreciating it. Let me just stay here.
Well, hold on. You are not going to stay here. You are not going to stay here. You must go back to your brother's house. Stay here for what? Your brother's house is your house. Listen, Jidakana Bonanti, hold your ears, hold them, yes. Listen very well. As you're getting back to your brother's house, if she avoids you, avoid her. Are you hearing me? If she matches you, match her. If she slaps you, slap her. Who is she? To stop you from staying in your brother's house? Amugie. Maybe she has forgotten the woman that gave birth to that so-called husband of hers. Ese wine, Masinachi. Wait to akakaka ya ilo.
Thank you, Mama.
Good. Are you listening? Yes. Whatever she does to you, if I give her 10,
okay, Mama.
I'll back you up. Since my son does not understand that you are the sister, and that one is the wife, is he mad? Is he mad?
Mama, Mbobu no put her Nisia and keep him between her legs. Namdi forgets himself. Mama, Namdi will forget everything that he ever lived for.
Maybe that's where
her
power.
Yeah. Yes. And she doesn't like wearing long things, Mama. She's always wearing all these short things.
So that's when Nanda puts head.
Yes.
The thing will be oozing out and be covering my son.
Mama, if this girl may go to school, if you see what that girl has done in school, it's not that I'm a good person. I don't like telling people bad things.
It's okay. Magobi na amowam. It's okay. Don't tell me more. Can put us on Kayenyem. Can we chebili? Can family chebili?
Mama, please, I want to stay for like 2 weeks. Let me invest.
2 guinea? Is it 2 guinea? Don't say a thing like that. What you do, just pass the night. Pass just this night. Tomorrow, you're gone to that house. Are you hearing me? Tomorrow, you are gone back to that house.
I came back here with pride, though, telling them that no, I don't want to stay again. Now I'll carry my bag again and start going back there. I always hear
go and take your shower till tomorrow.
Okay.
Till tomorrow, just war Ryan's. Nekwana anyao. Nnamdi's wife. She's not known me. She does not know me. Let's see.
Permission.
Madam.
Madam, she's here.
What are you doing here?
Please, I do not have strength for this. Please, just let me pass.
Move back, move back. Yes. Now, go back to where you're coming from.
Are you okay? Do you realize this is my brother's house and I was here before you came?
Darling, this is my husband's house. Unless you want to marry him as a second wife, I believe you should leave.
Please, Ifoma, I do not have strength. Please, just let me pass.
I said move back, Key. Are you okay? Are you deaf? Go back to where you're coming from now. What is all this?
Yeah, madam, it's okay. I'll handle it. Eh?
Moses!
I'm sorry. I'm only doing my job. Please.
Bye, baby. And you, if you open this gate for her next time, you will join her. You heard me, Abi?
Yep.
You will join her.
I'm sorry, ma.
Try me again.
Big sis, that wasn't necessary now. Remember, it's her brother's house.
Since when did that start? Next time, if you have nothing sensible to say to me, shut up. What nonsense?
See, big sis, sis.
Yes, darling. It's good. You just had a bath?
No, yet.
It's perfect.
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
My darling, you had fun today, right? Yeah. Woo. Yeah. What's this for?
The joint account.
Oh, that's. Where is my pen?
Yeah. Do you need to read it? I signed. Did you sign?
Yeah, I'll sign. Just to confirm and make it stop. Okay.
Yes. No, you sign. Yeah.
So, half your salary and half of mine.
Deal.
So, what else do you have for me?
Nothing. I'm tired.
Nothing.
Okay, what are you doing?
Are you still tired?
Obviously, yes.
Then I'm going to continue.
Stop. Wait. Okay,
Are you
wait.
still tired?
No, I'm not. Stop. Let me stop.
Babe, you said you were friends with my sister way back in school.
Yes. We were good friends, you know. She was really nice to me. You know, we were roommates for 4 years, and for those 4 years, she was really the best of the best. Except the fact that we lost contact, I got sick. I told you about that, right?
Yes.
I got sick, and then, you know, she graduated before me, and we lost contact. But you know, I'm so happy today that I got to meet her. We got to, you know, I feel like I should catch up with her and everything. She was really nice to me. She's really nice. This is fate, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Night.
Sis, I'd like to talk to you.
Okay. What's this?
Don't you think it's time for you to forgive and let go? I mean, it's been years now.
Who do you want me to forgive? How do you forgive someone that has no remorse? How?
See, sis, if you can forgive her, you definitely heal from this thing. You just have to let things flow. You're taking it a bit far.
She is my healing. I don't want to heal. And please, you're making noise. I have a lot of things to do. I need my peace of mind to go.
Sis, I'm saying this for peace to reign.
Kasho, find something else to do. Don't distract me. Please. Get out.
You just have to think about it, please.
Peace.
Omar, sorry I missed your call. Okay, how are you? What do you need the money for? Is Mama there with you? Amara, I want to ask you something. Are you pregnant? Yes, I want to know if you're pregnant. You cannot blame me for being so suspicious. It's fine, I'll send you. Hi, honey. Did you see the text message I sent you regarding money?
I can't do.
What? Why?
It's it's not like I'm saying I don't want to, but this is in her best interest. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. Amara is my sister. She's like my favorite sister now. You understand? Everything I do is in her own good and in her own betterment. She should go find a work, be her own woman. You don't want tomorrow for people to say, your sister did not depend on her brother to become something in life. Don't you know the glory that comes with that?
See, babe, I understand what you're saying, but she's sick.
You're still not understanding me. I mean, I know it's a small money, but if you keep indulging all this small money now, that is how the big money will come. And me now, we have to think about our own family, yeah? Yes, exactly. Baby, I've told you, you don't need to be distracting yourself. And you're working, no? Have you even eaten?
No, I have not.
Child, and you're thinking about Amara. When I'm thinking about Amara, on behalf of you, don't think again. Let me do all the thinking. I love you too. Eat you, yeah? Hey, baby, but I have to go. I have to go to the kitchen. I was cooking before you called.
Okay, bye.
Okay. I love you. Mwah. Mm-hmm. Peace. Ma. Cheers, please.
Tell me what happened, Armando. Such a weird and sudden trip.
To take you 5 hours.
Come back like
To
this.
bring juice over.
Sad.
Sorry for the delay.
What happened?
Sorry for yourself. Did you put the beans on fire?
Fabrics at a good price, but no, that wasn't the case. It was a big waste of time.
Thank you.
Take it easy. There's plenty of suppliers here. Your father's always made business deals with suppliers here, right? Anymore?
Yes, I'm gonna fix this. I'm not gonna fail you. Not Hugo. I promised that we would have good quality fabrics, and that's what we're gonna have.
So you had the mind to send my daughter out of the house she was before you came in. Okay, to add. You had the guts to do that. Face the gate.
Mama, I don't understand.
I said face the gate.
Mama, what did I do?
Face the gate. Face the gate. Face the gate. You will not like it, oh.
What is going on? Mama, what is it now? Mama, okay. Yeah. Why ain't cat? My darling. My darling. Please. Mama, what is going on, sir?
Face the gate. Face the gate. Face the gate, idiot.
Mama.
Son snatcher! Son snatcher! Don't worry, I'll kill in this town. Son snatcher! Onyori! Ashawa! Idiot! Son snatcher! Hey! Ndiala! Let me see your legs again in this compound. It's your father's compound, but I'll show you it's my husband's compound. Idiot! Amalachi. Amalachi.
Mama.
There's no light now.
I want to sleep.
Amalachi. I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Amalachi, why are you still in the village? What are you doing in the village? Since you came back from the city, I've been noticing it. You're not thinking of going back.
Mama, going back to where? You and I know that my brother's wicked wife asked me out of his house. You know now, where else should I go to?
You're asking me where you will go to. You're asking me. Amalachi, you surprised me. No, you surprised me. Amalachi, you went to school. I paid your school fees. You went to school. Amalachi, why can't you look for a job? I bet to apply on a coin on. Why can't you look for a job and start something? Can one name work actually? Can't you show one name worker that you can be something? You can be somebody. You can make out something out of the mess up he gave you. It doesn't come in a village. No, now you have to go and look for something.
Hey, Mama. So now you are not asking me to leave my father's house. Each one name okay, you are chasing me.
Is that what you feel? Listen, let me tell you. You must go out of your father's house. Yes. Here is my husband's house, not my father's house. So you must leave. Go and look for something to do. Listen, let me tell you, your brother, he has tried. He has done a lot. That the wife sent you out. That is not my business now. Yes, I want you to go and look for something and do. What is all this? No
problem. I will go. Just know I'm not going to his house. I'm not going to stay here. I will look for somewhere else and go. Don't look for me if anything happens to me.
Who is looking for you? Nobody will look for you. I want you to start something. Mmadụ Cable. Hey, don't look for me. Who is ready to look for you? Start something. Rent a house. Nonsense. You're just lazying about. You don't want to do anything. Nonsense. You have to go and do something. Nonsense.
Babe, listen, I want you to be very honest with me. What is the problem between you and my sister? See, both of you don't get along. As one-time best friends, roommates. I don't. It doesn't tally. I don't understand.
There's no problem at all. Why you behave like this? See, I'm just looking out for your sister. I just want her to stand on her own, make money of her own. She can't be asking you for little things. She should be able to provide for herself. You see the way I push my younger brother. You see the way I push him to be a better man, not to depend on the little things I give him. That's the same way I want Amara to be a better woman. Now are you telling me I'm wrong for doing that? Because if you tell me that Amara is not my sister, then I understand.
No, that is not what I'm saying. You see, to me, it looks as if there's this long-stored beef between both of you.
Baby, you're just saying that because, women, they always fight each other. We're women, you know how women behave. Now to Amara, I might be being too harsh on her and all whatnot, but to me, I'm just looking out for her. Two women cannot coexist. We're not even sisters. We're just, she's my sister-in-law and all. So right now, I just, you said you guys have been very close and I took the love from her elder brother. So you should understand. There's nothing. Don't even think about it. Come on.
I see. I see, no problem.
Don't worry. It's not gonna be fine. See, she'll just be the kind of woman you want her to be. And everything will be sorted out.
I pray so. I pray so.
She's just lashing out, that's all.
I think she's here for revenge, Mama. Over something that happened many years ago in school. I mean, it's long overdue. Coming back now for revenge is very wrong. Mama, I am so scared.
I don't get you. I really don't understand what you are saying. Explain to me, let me understand you.
Ify? Okay, yeah. So, see, I don't know why you're taking this for granted. You need to study. See, if you don't study, you might end up having a carryover. You know what it means having a carryover at this our last semester? It's you spilling, adding another year to your schooling. Okay. Yes, now, see, the only time that is best for us to read and understand what we're doing because of this noise is in the night, because then everybody's asleep. All those noises, you know how my area is now. All those people selling DVD cassettes, they play music in the afternoon and everything, so it's very noisy. So most times it's in the night when everywhere is calm, you understand more. I won't be happy if I graduate and you end up spilling or anything. So at least you being my best friend, I just have to help you in every way. I just have to help you and pass your papers and everything. And I wouldn't like you to be stranded. Anything can happen in the exam hall. You can actually change me or change you and you'll be stranded. So I won't be happy about that. You know what happened to that last girl that wanted to sit with me now? You know what happened? That they changed her and she couldn't even write anything. Okay, just try your best. It's very, very important, please. I beg you. I want to find the go NYS, make you myself. Alright, take care of yourself, yeah? Alright, bye. Alright, take care. Baby boo. Sorry, when you were calling, I was on another call. Yeah, you said you're too jealous. It was my friend now, Ify, yes. Yeah.
Do you want to? Alright, calm down.
I'll do it back to you.
Okay, wait, stay. Sorry. I was gonna give you.
I don't want to take chances now.
Okay. So, what were you talking about?
I don't know, what would you prefer? Going to see your parents after your final exams, or?
I want to do it before my exams. We do introductions for my exams, then after my graduation, then we do the chat and white screen.
Perfect. Perfect. I don't want to do that.
I can't wait. Amara has been planning with me. We get a lot of things, ashebi. What? There will be so many colors of ashebi. Like 6 of them, different colors.
6 what?
Ashebi now.
From whose pocket?
Our money now. That money you're keeping for us.
6 different ashebi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Green, pepper red.
Don't worry.
Wait, let me count for you. Pepper red. It go pay you blue. For people that I will not marry. It go pay you blue. It shock you.
Shock
yellow.
You white.
White, Abi.
Okay.
No, yellow. Yellow will show everyone that I've arrived, so it shock you.
Okay.
Yellow. And you'll be writing it down because the ashebi will start from 50k 1 yard.
50k 1 yard. I've lost appetite. Leave me alone. 50k for one ashebi.
Sharon, no now. 1 yard. They go down. You have to be. You need to show all this.
Don't worry. You will soon. Don't worry. You soon graduate now. You begin to work and see how difficult it is to make money.
But if I make my money now.
If you make money, it's your money. But if I make money, it's our money.
Before uncle.
Now later. Come on, we'll get your hands down.
This you're not romantic.
50,000 for ashebi.
1 yard. You know, 50,000 for ashebi. People would think it's just for one person.
You're trying.
1 yard.
You're trying. After the ashebi, they will now go back to their home. We'll come back home and begin to suffer.
Yeah, not come this life to suffer.
Okay.
Please. You're not come this life to suffer. You not suffer anything. You cannot be making money and we are not eating the money.
You see?
It's a sin. It's a sin to be making money and we are not eating the money.
1
yard of ashebi.
You can see how we're eating the money. If you want to pick watermelon, you pick 2.
Or you want to give me, you pick one.
How? Oh, after you be calling me fine girl, how do you think I used to be fine?
Give me.
What are you doing? Osa, me. So, baby, you transfer like small amounts first.
For what?
You know, in advance.
Go and write a list. In fact, if you after writing
But
it, bring it to my office. We need to vet it.
We don't do this in this relationship.
You have to you have to do
You
list.
don't. That's me. You don't trust
anything that will make
you
you
don't
to plan
trust
for 50.
me.
How many
I cannot marry
Six.
someone that don't trust me. Oh, you know, it's not if I buy pepper, you tell me to go and bring this too.
It's alright.
Is that if it's like that? Let us break up now.
No, you have to make a list. 6, Ashebi. You will make a list.
Or should we make it 8?
8? Okay. You will not come out of 6. You're wanting 8. You try it again?
Amara Sef.
Give me apple now. Give me the apple now. Hey. One. Anyway, by the way, how many kids do you want to bet?
No, you're talking about. I'm a virgin.
You're a virgin.
Wait. Oh no, I don't know about
Virgin Mary.
It's me that Jesus will come to now.
Tell me you want to revenge. It's not like you're a virgin.
What do you do, Jack? Do you know me? Do I know you? Please.
No.
I want 4 kids though.
4 kids.
2 girls.
Are you sure it's enough?
No. How can it be enough?
Come on, let's make it a football team.
A B
12.
or 6. Let's do 6.
But let's
do 6. You want football team? Let's make it a market square. I'll carry 30. You carry the remaining 30 in your tummy. But I'm still confused now. Okay.
See this particular information. Yes, this particular formula. Use it to get a shot of this. Hi. Okay.
We'll talk on phone.
Right.
Thank you. I understand it's better now.
Alright.
Meet your girlfriend.
Alright, take it.
Bye.
You think I'm a child? See the way you were lying down. Immediately you saw me greet your girlfriend.
What is wrong with you? He's just. How can you forget him? He's my bestie.
Bestie. Everybody, anybody that you see, 2 besties. You fear them. Any bestie.
Amara,
please. I don't like that thing. Stop bringing men into this house. Before you know now, the people outside will start thinking we are running Charlotte here. Biko.
See, Amara, you're talking about men. Stop bringing men to the house. You that changes men like you're changing your own this. Amarachi. He's just my bestie. You remembered him. Yeah. I bestie have a girlfriend safe.
Bestie. That's how all the pattern in this life used to start now. Isn't know how they tell you two were besties before we now got married? What were you doing from bestie to marriage? Please, because
that one is God's handiwork.
I beg you. Please
anyway.
Stop being here so it doesn't come and sleep.
Why did you come in with anger? What is it? No, go transfer your anger, give my bestie a beg. You know they like trouble. As you see. What is it?
I'm in big trouble like this. See, I'm just coming back from my lecturer's office. He walked me out, said get out of my office. He said he's going to fail me. Yeah.
Amarach, did you shout at your lecturer?
No.
You did not shout at him?
No.
Did you slap him?
Why did you slap him?
If you've slapped one before, now why are you doing like this?
Yeah, that one is that time.
So what did you now? What happened?
We had a deal. I finished my own now. He should come up with his
telling me stories.
What kind of deal did you two have that you're finishing your own and he's not finishing his own?
He said I should read my book, so I read. Now he should pass the course. He's saying I'll have to come back next year.
Your lecturer is not your father in this school, though. He's the one advising you, go and read. Go and read. We have a deal. And now I've been secret small deals. Stop that nonsense. So now that this happened, let's go to his office. Is your right?
No.
Did you not read for your exams?
I read.
Did you not do your assignments?
Did
you not do your project?
I did.
Well, let's go to his office.
No, don't.
You don't want to get
no, these things will escalate. I don't want trouble. Don't you?
I'm a baby. What did you do?
I know, I told you. That's what he said. I should read my book. I read. He now said that he's going to fail the course.
Oh, yeah, okay, fine. Sort it out. You know what to do. I have small change in like this. So use them. Shebi, that's the only deal that you have with him.
Another thing is, what happened though? It's not my fault. You know that Friday I went to the club. They were healing me. I was just spending, like, paying everybody's bill. Now they're telling me my bill is 5,000.
Ah, Marachi. You have only 5,000 in your account. So the hair that because that girl came to our room to come and look for you. You're owing her, Abi?
Oh my God.
That one is solved now. That one is already solved. We'll give her back her hair.
No, don't be saying this thing. What did the hair do to you? Which one is done? Which hair? No, don't.
We give her back her hair, or we tell your elder brother.
So
your elder brother will come and help beg.
BP, stop. See, don't tell my brother, please.
So what are we going to do about your school? Imagine we are helping you. We are paying for people's drink.
It's not easy. It's village people.
What's the name of this man that bought 3 cars for the total? Copy's father. That's your father. That's your father now. Maybe your uncle.
See, the thing now is that thing is my uncle, that my wicked uncle I was telling you about. It's the one that's doing this thing. Yes, because first of all, like the day they told him I got admission, he was not happy
at all.
Then now he wants to make sure that I drop out of school, but God will not agree. This night we will do fasting and prayer.
Only you will do that fasting and prayer. Do you know how many fasting and prayer I've done with you? I will not change the one. Only you. Now. You will change on your own. Amachi. It's not me. No. You change on your own. I guess I should kill myself because of you.
Why are you giving me that look?
Nothing. Okay, fine.
Are you sure?
Let me tell you something, babe. My friend, my roommate, remember my roommate? The brother had some sort of issues at work. And now, you know, he's the brother that takes care of our school fees and everything. But now they have, the brother had some issues at work. And he can't afford it right now, even though our final exams is in a matter of days.
So how is that our concern?
It's okay if you don't want me to talk again.
No, how is that our concern?
Well, you know how close she is to me. She's just like a sister to me. And I'm just trying to help her out. So I can't afford writing my exams and see her there and she's not writing her own exams. How we can...
So, what do you want me to do?
Please give me the money. See, if you give me the money, I'll make something for you.
Something like what?
Give me the money now so you find out.
Something like what now?
But be asking me what.
But this is the last time. Okay? What are you looking at?
Nothing. See, there's this weave one that this my friend said.
Weave what? You don't want the money anymore?
No, sorry.
Can you take your eyes off? You want to see my balance?
This is not our money.
Which money?
It's our money.
Who is our money?
Hey, don't separate now. Me, I'll not buy that chewing gum. I want to buy for you.
When is your money? It's your money. Now it's my money. It's
Before
our money.
Uncle now. My money is my money. Your money is our money.
You try.
You don't love me again.
Sense.
Amarachi, what is it again?
This one I am living a Z life. At first, this is not the first time I'm having carryover. Now school fees have come now. I've spent the money. And that's the excuse that you're drinking again. Is that not? You're drinking again because school fees you did not pay.
You'll be looking for small excuses now to tie something and put inside your system. You don't even ask me the good news when I came back and I was smiling at you. You're busy feeding your tongue. I've collected the money.
See, don't play with me. I'm not joking.
Who is Amarachi? I said I've collected the school fees and stop drinking.
From where?
From my boo-boo. I've collected your school fees.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh,
But it's okay. Don't be drinking. What do you want to do?
You know, I'm trying to get out of depression. Let me just finish it by 500.
Come, you should get your 500. What is wrong with you? As I've collected the money, you're still drinking. You even know how much they say one bottle? How much is one crate?
Maybe 4,000 or 4,500.
Amarachi. You should add drunkard near your father's name. Amarachi drunkard, something to be your middle name like this. Don't be drinking all those nonsense. It's okay. I'm going to go and throw this in the bedroom now. Enough is enough.
My 500, don't straight away.
It's like you're not okay.
Don't do that, you know. Even the Bible condemns it. How can you be wasting resources? Don't do it.
Children of the world, they will be looking for Bible scriptures to attach to all the sins they are doing now.
I said, even Jesus Christ at the wedding. Have you read Luke?
No.
Read Luke, you will see where he brought, like, multiplied plenty drinks.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And he was busy giving it to them to drink.
I don't like this thing though.
Me too, I don't like it. Pointing.
Look at it. People that have boyfriend. You see this useless one I am wasting my time with. See. Hi. But you have failed in every ramification. You have failed. You have failed.
What do you have with Charles?
Charles? Who is Charles?
The so-called guy you call your bestie. What do you have with him?
Is that what you... Hey, baby, you almost gave me a heart attack now, man. You didn't even ask how was school today. How is...
What do you have with him?
I don't understand. Charles is just my bestie, you know that.
Oh, just your bestie?
Yes.
That's where it starts. From bestie, before you know, you become true lovers.
Baby, this thing you're doing now, I don't like it. He's just helping me with, you know, I don't know maths now. So he's just helping me, like, you know, showing me things that I'm supposed to know that I don't know. That's all in the cafeteria, that's all.
So after spending all these monies on your education, you still need someone to put you through?
Yes, baby. I still need someone to put me through. I don't know maths now. So this maths, he was just trying to cheat.
Can you explain these messages?
Who is this?
Can you give an explanation?
Who is this who wants to spoil my relationship for me now? What is it, baby? You cannot be believing all this nonsense you're seeing now.
See, let me just tell you. It's either you end with whatever you have with Charles, or we'll keep having this drama over and over again. Alright? Besties everywhere.
Where are you going to now? How many miss? What is all this? 1, 2, 3. Why are you? Who is this now? Why are you sending all this nonsense message to my boyfriend now? What is all this? Let me just block this idiot friends. What is this now?
How can you be bothered over one mathematics like that? See, there's no time to waste. Remember, the exam is next tomorrow. Any small thing now, you will have a spillover. Yes, just if you know what is good for you. Charles is a very good person. Just start going there now.
Oh, it's not that I don't want to go and learn. I want to go and learn, but how do I put it? I don't want to, you know, bring issues in my relationship.
So among these girls that used to do, my boyfriend said, are you serious? A man that just paid your dowry. I paid his introduction he did.
Wife.
Yeah, will you know? See, let me tell you, in this life, no man has you. Unless you have the ring. Yes.
It's not like I'm doing anything.
See, even if you do, see, a woman, like this now you're still single. Enjoy your life until you get into his house. Yes. Do everything you do. Just be smart enough not to keep your debts alone.
I'm just going to go and study, that's all. See, the only issue now we have in this discussion is I don't want my husband, you know, he has already paid for it. I don't want him to feel like, you know, you that last time you had issues that someone sent him text message, you were saying choose between Charles and I. So something like that. What's if
it is your bestie?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, bestie, is his business? Will he know? Who will tell him that you went there? Hey, go there, do your thing. Even if you are going now, you see anybody that likes you, my sisters, do time and money. You cannot stay and be answering to one man like that. Then tomorrow he will lock you up in the house. You will not be making decisions for you. Now is the time. You need to see when you're going to a man's house. You need to have money. Your wedding day, when it's bringing out 5 million, you need to bring 2 million. How do you get the money? And how do you get money as a young girl? Your body. Use what you have to get what you want. So even if you go there now, Charles say, I know it's your best deal, but even if anything happens, run it and come back, my love.
Nothing is happening. I want to just go and study.
Because
exams is tomorrow.
Let me call a taxi man for you. Just go and dress. I'll call a taxi man for you. Yeah, picture. No worry. Who is telling him that you won't stay?
Did he take it to come now?
I'll tell you, of course I will.
You know it's getting late.
Of course.
Has its own mistake here and there. So if you use it of the other one, you will fail everything.
Okay, so what if, see, the last one, that last one you got me, I think I'll tell you. After writing, I still forgot it.
See,
is there no small, you know, things you could write down for me so I'll use it remembering that?
Sometimes, like what I do sometimes, I just get abbreviations or like I just get DVDs and I'll just get the first letters and just easily remember some of those things. And so if you can get those things, sometimes you use it to form a word. You understand? It helps you a lot. You understand? So, let's see. I think we've covered all these things.
Yes, we've covered.
this question.
So she's really stressed.
Close your eye.
I'm really tired.
Close your eye. If you close, come and let me get you coffee. So I think that should help.
You just saved my life. Thank
I know very soon now you start nothing new.
Baby.
Sorry.
So
were you around in the class last time?
I was.
Yeah. So that. Ouch. Sorry.
I'm so
I'm
sorry.
coming. Let me give you something else to get so that.
I'm so sorry.
No problem. No, sorry.
Are you sure you're okay?
No problem. You can take these.
I'm so sorry for your bed. I'm so sorry. Can I use your bedroom?
Just look at you.
What's that?
You're taking permission to use my. Please be fast so that we can actually cover up everything. Are you okay?
I'm coming.
Bite you where it hurts. I think you can make me look down on myself like I'm not doing enough. Let the games begin. Yeah, hello. My name is Amarachi. I am your wife's roommate. I know you must be wondering how somebody got to know everything about your relationship and who has been feeding you with every information. Yes, I am the one. You know, it hurts me so much to see when a young girl doesn't appreciate what she has. You get when people try to use their body to get stuff like gadgets from men. Yes. As we speak right now, she's in her so-called bestie's house. If you think I'm lying, you can come and I'll take you there. I won't even hide because I warned her before she left now. According to her, she said she needed to support your wedding with 2 million naira. So she said she'll be doing this until your wedding day. No problem. Helping people is actually my business. I like to help people. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
What do you expect? I'm just thinking you help you food.
please watch it so you don't spoil everything.
So please be solid. There is one question I just, so please for revision so that you will do this and go.
Yeah,
So
it's not going.
yes, actually. Please, I think I'm bored. But don't you think you should just leave maybe tomorrow?
No.
It's fine, let me just take a shower at least. Let me just refresh up so that when I come back, I'll sleep. You understand? Alright, thank you.
These minutes. Come in. Hi.
If you, who is that?
The button. It's just open.
Please.
No, just baby. It's me.
Thank you very much.
For what? Baby, come on. Please. Baby, wait, it's just a button. Hey! Mobile. Finish. No, hey! Oh my God. What am I supposed to do?
What? If you wait now, okay, I'll follow you to his place. I'll wait.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
So what are we going to do now?
Fine.
What are we going to do now? Hey?
What am I doing?
Oh, I don't understand. How did you get to this place? If you don't worry, I promise you. No, I will explain. I will come personally and explain to you.
I said I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Like this, you see me. I'm going mad though.
No,
hey!
It's just teaching you. I wanted to teach you something now. What kind of thing is this?
It's not to pay this exam. Why was I coming here at first? Maybe I should have just stayed home. Amara.
But don't you think we should go together?
No, don't say that again. Please don't say it again. I finished. What am I even doing here?
Don't touch me.
At least allow me to explain to you what.
Explain what?
You're not even allowing me to talk to you. This thing you're doing is just not fair. You're not even allowing me. Baby, let me talk to you.
Get your hands off me! After all we've been through together.
Please don't be doing like this.
Get your filthy hands off me! See, when you're done staying, just drop my key over there and get out. Don't ever come back here again.
You cannot be behaving like this now. You just can't be. You
Get out of my house! Bitch.
What did I ever do wrong to you? Is it helping that I did not do? I helped. Your assignments that you refused to do, I helped you. School fees.
Hey. Everything I did was for you not to get an extra year. And I ended up getting one myself. So now I'm back to square one. And you're off there having fun. I don't blame Amsterdam. Which man would hear that his wife, his supposed wife, is busy sleeping with other men, getting money for their wedding? Amara, you were the one that asked me to go to my bestie's house. It was you. Now it turned out to I was seeking money for my wedding. How? It's well. Even I stopped you from drinking. I was trying to be a good sister. What do I tell this school? How do I face everyone in school when everyone has the opinion that I had a wrong abortion and I lost my womb, and now the person that is supposed to marry me left me? What do I say? With all the rumors going, ranging from all what nonsense attached to my name. How? It's not to just die and move on like this. Because how? Hey, my juniors that I was busy helping are now being in the same class with them. Is it not to go to this clinic that is outside and buy something that will not give me pain at hand? I'll just die. Because hi.
Hey! You did all that? And you expect her to forgive you? If she's here on a revenge mission, well, she's doing the right thing. How can you do a thing like that to somebody that called you her sister? To somebody that helped you so much? Ha! Too bad. Ha! What is this? I'm afraid of you.
Sorry.
You did all this in school to somebody that loved you so much. You just have to go and beg for her forgiveness.
Mama.
I say, Mama?
No, I cannot do that though. You want me to bring out this secret I've been hiding for years for the world to come and judge me?
Do you know if she does not forgive you, that God Almighty will not forgive you? What are you talking? Look at what you did to this girl. Innocent girl. Ha! You just have to go and beg her to forgive you. If not, yeah? Nemesis. Nemesis, you'll be seeing it.
Yes?
Joshua. Joshua. Joshua.
Yes. Joshua, please come. Get the joysticks.
Baba. How are you?
Mama.
How are you? Asa, I heard you get up. I heard you call Joshua. Didn't you hear my voice?
Hey, Mama, if I had heard your voice, I would have put the mat for you to look inside. It's not possible that I heard your voice and I'll call Joshua to come.
Informer. Yeah. Blue key. Yeah. Oh, I am Lego. Oh, yeah, go on. Not done. I won't walk.
Mama, let me get you something.
Hey, not done. Not done, not now. At least when I'm done with what I came for, then we can marry.
What if I get water, Mama?
Yeah. I don't want water. Oh, yeah, but no water.
Oh, my younger brother.
Your younger brother. Yeah, Nna, how are you?
Fine.
Okay. Nna, I know you'll be wondering why we just came like that unannounced and all that. We came to meet with your wife. Hey, Farmer. I am so sorry for the way I've been treating you. I am so sorry. If you ask me what you did, I can't say. I cannot say. I am so sorry. Actually, how I understood the whole thing is from Amalachi. She told me all that happened. She gave me the lowdown. And we decided that we must come for your forgiveness. Please, I want you to forgive Amalachi. What she did was pretty wrong. Very, very wrong. I am so sorry, my daughter. Ngwa, your knees on the floor. Mama. Calm down. Call your ears from where now. What are they? What are they?
Ifoma, please, I'm sorry.
Good.
I know I have wronged you, but it wasn't intentional. It was the devil.
Mama, don't call the devil. It was all your intentions to do whatever you want to do to me. No need calling the devil. What you did to me, you did on your own.
I'm sorry.
Stop blaming the devil for what because we keep making all these nonsense excuses. We keep calling the devil that you did what you did on your own. Mastermind. No. Ejim chukwa ayoge. Biko.
Please forgive her. Biko.
Mama, you will not understand.
She told me.
Mama, Chano can call. Mama.
How many people weak? That means the thing must be very bad.
Mama, you see this Amara you're seeing here? Amara in a favor. We were like sisters in school.
I know.
We were so close that Amara had an issue with her school fees. And I had to run around to find a way to pay for her school fees too. Because how can my own sister, someone I call a sister, be out of school and then I, in person, be happy? It's not possible.
I know.
Then when I had that compassion towards Amara had the mind. The person I'm supposed to get married to, she did all sort of things, masterminded all sort of nonsense to him. And we broke up. That's not my pain. It's okay. Friends do whatever they do out of jealousy and all whatnot. It's okay by me. But my own pain is that my sister, someone I call a sister, not a friend though. A friend. Or you go your sister.
Yes.
A person I call a sister. Mama, I lost a year in school. Amara graduated. And she left. The way she graduated, she packed all her things and she left. And I was suffering in the hospital, Mama.
Oh,
the depression, the pain. The pain is not just from losing someone that is supposed to get married to me. The pain is losing a sister. Someone that doesn't think I'm worth nothing. Someone that thinks that I'm literally nothing to her. Not even a minute of a call, Mama, to tell me, how are you doing? How have you been coping? No, Amara did not do that. But do you know what Amara did? Amara, in school, news. People came up with rumors. I did an abortion. I did this. Do you know where all the rumors are coming from? From Amara. Amara was busy feeding them from year to year. Informa did this. Informa did an abortion. And then she had complications. And then she's in the hospital. Me, Informa. Been very nice to this girl, though. It's not that no for this girl. I'm sorry. Don't touch me, don't touch me. I've been very nice to her. Ask her now, she's not your daughter. Mama, as if it was not enough for her. She saw me. Amara saw me. Years later, with her brother. Instead of Amara to beg for forgiveness, or at least, okay fine, don't beg me for forgiveness, at least have a change of heart towards me. She decided to be the witch she has always been to me. The bad person she has always been. Don't tell me sorry. Allow me to talk. Allow me to fight my anger. So me, I decided to show her. I could have ever clean mouth. I decided to show her in her brother's house. I can see me the queen. And that's what I showed her. And she decided to leave the house soon. Mama, I am not wicked though. It's people that make you wicked. People show you their bad characters and they change your own character. Amara, you cannot be telling me, how is Amara sorry? If Amara was sorry, she would have changed from the day she met me. How many years ago, Mama? How many years ago? Did I know I was going to see Amara again? I did not know I would see Amara again.
What's going on? Do you know I'm so surprised. She didn't tell me up to this point you're saying. It was bad. It was very, very bad from what you just said. But my daughter, I am so sorry. Please. To err is human. To forgive is divine. You're married to my son. Yeah? Please. And this is the younger sister. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive her. Forgive me. When you forgive me, you're forgiving her, Biko. Please.